Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I will make this ham. This is a cured ham I bought, and it's I will make a glaze for this. It's a big one, and just gonna set that aside. We have this small saucepan here, and to make a glaze, I have here half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of prepared mustard, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. This together. And I will bring this to a boil. Turn the stove to medium. I have to put this camera with me here. There. Now my glaze is boiling. I will turn the oven for 350 degrees. Put this glaze top of the ham here. Cover it and bake this in the oven for 2 hours. Okay, see you later. 2 hours after, my ham glaze with cloves is ready. It's very yummy. Makes me feel hungry, and I'm gonna be ready to eat pretty soon. That would be my Thanksgiving ham. It's Thanksgiving in Canada, but I have to work in the weekend, so this is my early Thanksgiving supper. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.